Well, it's official. The car is put back to stock and everything is parted out. Here she is. All right, yes. So I am selling the car, guys. I know the Accord is what really started off this channel, but in all honesty, kind of just getting bored of it, if I'm being truthful. And so I'm starting to look at other cars to enjoy. I'm also at a point in my life where I can enjoy some of my childhood JDM cars right now while I still can. So the Accord is already parted out. It's back to stock. A lot of things have already been sold. And I'll be dropping off the car tomorrow at CarMax. And really, it's been a great car, but I think I'm just looking for something that's a little more fun. I think I will be back in an Accord sometime in the future, but only if it's a 6-speed manual. I think the main thing is after driving the S2000 back over here is that I really enjoy driving manual. I found that I've been driving the S2000 more than the Accord, so I was like, well, I think it's a sign to change some things up. So with that being said, you know, I'll still be making content on the S2000. The Accord content will probably be gone. And I have a brand new daily driver. So let me go ahead and show you guys what the brand new car is. All right, here's the brand new car. It's a Subaru. All right, it's a 2011 WRX STI. And I've already gone ahead and put my Accord wheels on it, and it fits really well here. And yeah, this is in Plasma Blue Pearl. So let's hop into the car, go for a test drive, and I'll explain to you why I chose this car. Oh man, my hair is long. All right, so we're in a cruise in the STI, and I want to go over kind of why I'm deciding to switch over to Subaru and sell the Accord. So, as I mentioned, you know, I picked up the S2000 a couple months ago, and I've been finding myself daily driving that more often than the Accord. And I think honestly it's because of the manual transmission. And the Accord is a great car, you know. It made good power. I'll definitely say the STI is definitely slower than the Accord, but a 10-speed auto just made things very easy, and I know that's what you want in a daily driver. But I mean, I work from home, so I don't drive into the office that often, so driving manual for a daily is not that bad for me. So really that's kind of the biggest reason why I went with the STI, is because it's comparable power, it's a manual, plus I've got a hatch so I can lug a bunch of cargo around. And honestly, it's one of my childhood JDM dream cars that I enjoyed and looked up to when I was a kid. So I'm in a good time to enjoy these cars, so why not, you know? The Accord was special. It helped kick this channel off and, you know, give you guys a bunch of videos to watch, but it's pretty maxed out in terms of where I want it to be for a daily and what it can do as a car, you know? Like, there's no TCU transmission tune, which honestly I think is the biggest disappointment in that car. The 10-speed is nice, but there are some weird quirks with that 10-speed that really you can't do anything about unless there's a TCU tune, and there's no TCU tune on the market. So that car unfortunately is pretty maxed out on where I think its potential is. There are other people pushing it more, but for me, I didn't want to do that anymore, so I hopped into this. So I mean, it's gonna be a really quick and short video with this. Next video I'm probably gonna be detailing what's already done to this car and what the plans are. So hopefully you guys stick around for the Subaru content, and you guys aren't too upset that I sold the Accord. The S2000 will still be in the videos, of course. I'm still tracking it, I'm still working on that car. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this car and whatever content I have for it. I'm still doing research in terms of what modifications there are out there, what's the good stuff, what things to avoid. If you guys know of any things to avoid or things to look for, please drop them down